Did you know that some of the most stunning knitting designs are also the simplest? Simplicity in knitting can lead to beautiful results, sparking creativity and boosting confidence. Let's explore how easy patterns can transform your knitting journey. Every knitting enthusiast needs the right tools. Discover must-have essentials like needles and yarns. Learn how different yarn types impact your projects and how to choose the perfect needles for your style. Choosing the right materials can make or break your knitting experience. We'll guide you through selecting the best yarns and needles, ensuring your projects are both enjoyable and successful. Ready to create your first pattern? Follow along as we guide you through a simple yet elegant design. Understand the basic stitches and techniques needed to bring your vision to life. Small variations can lead to unique designs. Experiment with different stitches and see how your creativity can transform a basic pattern into something truly special. Finishing your knitted pieces beautifully is an art. Learn how to present your creations with flair and discover tips for maintaining and caring for your knitted items. Sharing your creations with friends and family can be incredibly rewarding. Get inspired to showcase your work and spread the joy of knitting with those around you. Embracing simple knitting techniques, you'll unlock a world of creativity and satisfaction. Now grab your needles and start your knitting adventure today.